Instagram contests for business. They're a great way to increase your engagement and your reach, plus the rules are way more relaxed than they are for Facebook contests. Today I'm going to show you how to run an Instagram contest for your business, as well as some ideas that you can use for your brand. Hello, busy people. Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you have had figure out my social media on your to-do list for weeks, months, years, you just keep shoving it down because you don't know where to start, you're overwhelmed, you're in a great place. This channel is for you. Every week we put out a brand new quick video to help you with a different piece of your digital marketing strategy. Does that sound like something that you could benefit from? Take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell, so you're notified whenever we put out a new video every week. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. You can connect with me on social media here. And today we are talking all about Instagram contests for businesses. They're a great way to grow your account, increase your reach, increase your engagement. Today we'll cover how to do an Instagram contest, some contest ideas you can use for your business. We'll cover a few tips and tricks along the way, and the one thing that every Instagram contest has to have to be legal. Okay, this is important. We'll get into all of that right now. So the first step, figure out what is the goal for your contest. Are you trying to grow your account, increase your engagement rate? Are you trying to get users to take pictures of their using your products, and so you have more content to use from them? Are you trying to drive people somewhere off of Instagram, like to your website or something like that? Figure out what your goal is. That is definitely step one. Now, you can't have more than one goal, like, oh, I want to do all of those things. But at some point it gets a little bit confusing, so really have one primary goal to focus on. Next, pick your prize. What are you going to give away? Now, pick something that would appeal primarily to your ideal customer. Like, anybody can say, oh, we're giving away an Apple Watch or an Samsung phone or a dinner gift certificate. And everyone's like, oh, cool, I want to enter that. But a lot of those people are just looking for your free stuff. They'll never buy from you, and they'll never come back and engage with your account again unless you're going to do another contest. So what would appeal to your ideal customer? If you're a product-based company, give away samples of your product. If your product is too expensive, like, let's say I met a guy the other day who builds bicycles for people, that's too expensive to give away. But maybe you can give away a bicycle accessory. You might even be able to find a bicycle accessory company that would give you one for free to give away just for the exposure. Or maybe you can give a gift card away to your company. If you're in the service industry, give away a free service. It might be yours, it might not be. For example, I target entrepreneurs who are looking to grow their digital marketing, and I could offer something that I do, or I could pair up with an accountant and give away 2 hours of free accounting advice for somebody setting up their business. That would appeal to the same target demographic. Now, I know I blew off mass appeal prizes like an iPad or a restaurant gift certificate earlier, but if you do run a business to where everybody or almost everybody needs you eventually, real estate agent, something like that, then you can do more mass appeal prizes and it can still make sense. Next, how are people going to enter the contest? Do they have to like the post? That'll help you some in the algorithm. Do they have to leave a comment? That will help you a little bit more in the algorithm. Asking people to tag a friend in the comments will bring a lot more people to your account that weren't there before. It is a great way to reach people that are not following you. And actually, that's illegal in a Facebook contest. You can't ask people to tag somebody in a Facebook contest, but on Instagram, still legal as of now. Hurry up and do it. I would just suggest asking people to tag a specific friend, not like tag your friend Sarah, but tag a friend. Like, if, let's say, you're a clothing company, you're giving away a blue shirt, tag a friend who loves to wear blue. That way you're bringing in people who might actually become your customers. You can ask people to tag 2 or 3 friends if you want. Don't ask people to tag 10 friends to enter your contest. That's just annoying. Great thing to do with the tag a friend is if you can offer 2 prizes. For example, if you have 2 blue shirts, tag a friend that also likes blue shirts. We'll pick one of you to win, and your friend you tagged will also win a blue shirt. If you want to have more content to use on your Instagram account or Facebook or anywhere else, you can do a user-generated content contest. This is where you ask people to take pictures of themselves using your product or of your product in weird places, whatever your goal is. And then you get all of these pictures that you can use. I had a client, and this was a few years ago in their defense, but it was a restaurant and they didn't want to take pictures of their food. They thought it was a waste of time and money. So we ran a take a picture of your food contest so we could have pictures of food. And some people's, smartphone pictures were terrible, but others were beautiful. So we finally had pictures of the food to use on social media. So tell them to post a photo of whatever you want on their Instagram account and either tag you in the photo or use your special hashtag. Make sure it's not a hashtag that everybody is using. And that's their entry. Just remember though, even though they entered your contest, you still do have to ask them if you can reuse the photo on your own account. But most people will say yes. And because you're asking more of somebody now, like, hey, take a photo and upload it to your own account of using our product, make sure your prize is worth it. The more you're asking of somebody, the better your prize needs to be. And finally, maybe your goal is to take people off of Instagram, maybe to sign up for your email list or view something on your website. That's fine. That's where you'll be sending them to your profile to click on the link and sign up for whatever it might be. Now, this will not help your engagement as much if they're not liking or commenting, so you might ask them to leave a comment and then click the link in our profile and sign up to win. So that way you kind of win both worlds. Again, you're asking more of people, so make sure the prize is worth it. A couple more important things to remember for Instagram contests for businesses, and then we'll talk about the legal part, which is important. Decide when the contest is going to start and end. Make sure that's listed everywhere the contest has happened. Another thing you can do for your followers is once the contest is over, change the caption, go in and edit the caption, make the first thing, maybe in all caps even, contest has ended. That's just a courtesy so you don't have people entering and then finding out later it's over and being mad at your brand. You may need to post about your contest more than once. If your audience is not used to you doing contests or your audience isn't very big, you might have to kind of keep nudging and reminding with multiple posts. Make sure you check on your contest frequently, okay? And this is important for two reasons. One, once your contest is up, if something's wrong with it or it's hard to enter or the link doesn't work, whatever it might be, somebody's going to point it out and they're going to comment. And you don't want that to go a whole day or two of people going, doesn't work, this sucks, boo-hoo, unfollow. You want to make sure to fix it right away. The second reason to make sure to engage with your contest is as people enter, if you reply and thank them and favorite their entries in the comments and all of those things, that will help you in the algorithm to show your contest to more people. And you want that, right? And another way to increase your results is to team up with another brand and run a contest between your accounts where you're cross-promoting. Certainly more work to set that up, but if you have similar audiences and you want to sort of help each other out, you can quickly grow your account that way by reaching those new people. All right, the legal stuff. I feel like I should have a big book and put on some glasses for this. The legal stuff. First of all, Instagram requires that you follow all federal, state, and local laws, age restrictions, all those things. You can't tag anyone in the post that's not actually part of the contest. You also can't ask people to tag themselves or their friends in a picture in your post that they're not actually in. That's because it's very deceiving. Like if you say, hey, tag yourself in our photo, and then their friends get notified, then they're like, you're not even in this picture. Make sure to include any other necessary rules to answer people's questions. Is there an age restriction? We talked about when it starts and ends. Do they have to live in a certain geographical area? How will you contact the winner? If they don't reply within a certain time, do they forfeit their prize? How are they going to get their prize once they win? And finally, the one thing that Instagram requires for your contest to be legal is you have to use this language here on the screen in your post. Per Instagram rules, this promotion is in no way sponsored, administered, or associated with Instagram Inc. By entering, entrants confirm that they are 13 plus years of age, release Instagram of responsibility, and agree to Instagram's terms of use. You can bury it at the bottom of the post. It doesn't have to be at the very top, but it's important that you include it. So those are the basics. I did link up to Instagram's rules page in the description of this video if you really want to get in and make sure that you're covered. Obviously, I am not a lawyer. You are supposed to research this stuff yourself, but those are the basics. So what Instagram contest are you thinking about running? Let me know down in the comments. I will also comment with my biggest fear with Instagram contests, and we can chat down there. Consider joining our Facebook group. It's free. Search 5 Minute Social Media on Facebook. And hey, if you benefited from this video, if you like this video, consider giving it a like, subscribe to the channel. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home.